Now we're going to discuss the zoom tool. The zoom tool can be found in our toolbox, in our toolbox right here with this little eyeglass icon. As you can see, it has plus on it. And if you actually hold down Alt, it will give you the minus key, so we can actually zoom in. Oh, there we go. And zoom out at our leisure just by clicking on the mouse. And I can keep zooming out to where it doesn't exist. Or I can actually take this and hold down the mouse and open it up. And as you can see, it will give me my little window in which I'm going to zoom to. Now this is fine, but I find this a really inefficient use of my time. So let's say I'm in my brush tool and I want to zoom into this mountain here and use it. If I hold down my command key space bar or control space bar on the Mac, on the PC, you'll see that it'll bring it up automatically and I can just zoom in without actually having to change my brush. Now I prefer this over. And if you want to zoom out, hold down Alt as well when you're holding down your command key and your space bar, control key and space bar, and you can just zoom out at will. This way I don't have to keep switching back and forth to brushes using my hotkeys. My hotkey for my command space bar or my Alt command space bar is a lot quicker. So instead of switching brushes, remember your hotkeys. These will increase your workflow a whole lot. So play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.